Dua is such a powerful weapon that it never needs to be updated. It was effective at the time of Adam, at the time of Nuh, at the time of Musa. It's effective today and will be effective until Yawm al-Qiyamah. It's an effective weapon because dua takes you back to the world of dhikr. And when you're mindful of Allah, you're less likely to sin. Ad-du'a silahul mu'min, number one. And then what does the Prophet say? Wa'amudud din. It's the pillar of religion. Many of you are familiar with another hadith that is very similar. Weren't we taught that what? As-salatu amudud din. So is this a contradiction? Rasulullah here says dua is amudud din. And another hadith, Rasulullah says salah is amudud din. Is this a contradiction? No. Because if you look at salah, salah is simply a formal dua. Salah is all dua. Amudud din, it's the pillar. When the Prophet says ad-du'a wa amudud din, do we have this pillar in our lives, or do we only recite dua once in a while when I have a big musibah? It has to be part of our daily routine. And then what does the Prophet say? وَنُورُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Dua is the light of the heavens and the earth. What does this mean? In Ayatul Nur, what does Allah say about Himself? Allahu nuru samawati wal ard. The Prophet says, if you make dua, you are speaking to the one who has illuminated the heavens and the earth. And if you are in constant communication with Allah, you will become like a mirror that reflects this nur.